Hey guys, so here's some final thoughts. You too can fix lawnmowers for fun or profit, or just to service your own and give it a good tune-up. Now, what sets you aside from everybody else when you're doing it for customers is that the shops around here, you bring in a dirty lawnmower, they're going to return a dirty lawnmower to you. They might fix the problem, but your lawnmower is going to look just as bad as when you brought it in. So when you service somebody's lawnmower and give it that little extra touch of cleaning, that'll set you apart. And that will bring in more customers. Now, let's go out there and check out the lawnmower before the customer comes picks it up. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you at the auction. What do we got? What are we looking at? Cleaned and tuned up. So we got our new spark plug there. Got this all nice and washed up. Got this all cleaned up. Got our new air filter in there, blade sharpened. And it's ready for action. So you guys, you want to take that little extra step and just to give it that little extra cleaning, make it look a little better for the customer. That's all it takes. Now, hope this was informative and just as entertaining.